welcome to my garage. Today, because it's still winter time, I cannot go driving by this bike, so I decided to make oil change into my car. So that is what happened next. And here you can see all the tools what is needed for the job. So only few things is needed, so very simple thing. Now let's remove this oil filter, and you can find it from here. You need very special tool for the job, so I got it. So let's remove it. Oil filter is coming from here. So much oil in there. Must wait for a while, otherwise everything is in the oil. Let's take it out. So that is oil filter. Very black and very dirty. Next thing is to remove this oil stick. This is going away like that, and this oil cap is going away. So now it's ready. Alright, now we start open the new filter. So let's see what we have here. So this is brand new filter, very nice looking. Put it in there, and here you will see all the O-rings what is needed for the job. So let's remove this old filter. You only need to pull it away. Like this. It's going very easily. And now a little bit of cleaning. After 10,000 kilometers, oil is very dirty and very black, so this is something you should do in your car. And now you will see this big O-ring here, so this you have to replace. Take it away and put new one in there. So let's take it away. This is very important. Like that. Little bit of cleaning, and then we put a new one in. Goes like that. So that is. And then you can put the new filter in. Little tight, but it will go in there. So now it's ready to put back in the engine. So simple is that. Let's put this old filter back here. And this O-ring too. And next step is go to under the car and release the motor oil. Downstairs, under the car. To remove this cover that you can release the oil. So let's do it. Okay, now then engine is almost empty now, so it's time to clean this plug. So have to clean, make sure that you have this washer in there. This copper washer is needing. Now let's put it back. Ready. Now we put this cover back. Now it's ready. Let's go upstairs again. Okay, now we are ready to put this oil filter back. Ready. Alright, now it's time to put motor oil in the engine. I'm using Mobil 1 New Life 0W40. That's best possible motor oil. You can't get better oil than that. So that's going in. And 6 litres oil is needed. That's it. Still a bit of cleaning. Put this cap. And then check the oil level. Seems to be full. So let's start the engine. And finally, after a little while, so we will check the oil level, that everything is fine. So car is ready to go. So after the next 10,000 kilometers, I'll change oils again. So, thanks for watching.